Hi guys, it's Alan here, the digital mentor from the Global Tea Break, and I just wanted to jump on here and let you know that the Global Tea Break this month will be 1 hour earlier if you're in Ireland, so that will be at 2 o'clock GMT, and we are delighted to have D. Scott Smith as our educator and guest presenter this month, and Scott is going to be talking all about how to publish a book, an online course, and a webinar in less than 12 weeks. So really looking forward to this. So make sure you do stick around and you do drop in. But do you know what? He's actually here. So Scott, are we going to be talking about in your presentation this week?
You shared an article by Mark Schaefer. Mark Schaefer was on the Social Media Talks podcast, so a lot of people are familiar with him. He said, it is important to publish a book. And in his article, he talked about how he's made a lot of money publishing a book, but it can be a daunting task. So I've come up with a course, and I've got some folks that have gone through it. And Alan, you are one of those. Your book itself is going to be coming out here soon. It is How to Publish a Book, online course and webinar in 12 weeks or less. My book is actually coming out on Amazon. It'll be available here. It is called Influence, Creation of Credibility. And I am excited about having this available. There is a free course that is a part of the book, and it walks you through. It gives you the outline for your book, for the course, the structure for your webinar, and has the checklist of what you do each week to make sure you stay on track, and you get encouraging emails from me to celebrate the work that you've done and get you queued up for the work that you're going to do in the following week. Publish your book, course, and webinar in 12 weeks or less.
And of course, that's all going to be happening this Friday. Yes, that is this Friday, the 18th of March. And we would be delighted to have your company. So if you do want to join us on the Global Tea Break, a worldwide community of business owners, entrepreneurs, and good friends who meet every month, the third Friday of every month. Do join us. You can register now for free, all for free, at the globalteabreak.com, and we'll see you all on Friday. Have a great evening, have a great morning, have a great afternoon, wherever you are in this world. Be safe and be happy. Until the next time, talk to you soon. Bye-bye.